To you patriots.
That satin draped frame.
That's Tom Brady.
As it clung to her thigh.
Like an nostalgic miscarriage.
Look at ball. Come on, ball. Attack the ball.
Give yourself
Congratulations, we just fucked over RKO Army.
That's what happened to the Titanic. Right, so you got all the seamen.
I'm so clear, you ain't have been posted. You please just get up off your seats and hey, wait a minute, it's a fire!
Is there a fire?
I knew I was too hot for this place.
Who's the kid who has the soundtrack? We're finishing the show in the parking lot.
I have it in my car.
If you guys have nothing in the theater, go home.
All right. Thank you. The show's over. If you have nothing in the theater, go home.
All right.
Oh, Carol's still filming.
You are
This
brilliant.
shit is going on YouTube. Provided someone knows how to put videos on YouTube.
Why are you putting this shit on YouTube? That way to fire on your own fuck, because it would be fun. It'd just be amusing, yes.
And that's what it's there for.
Still filming this?
I started again. Why wouldn't I? I'm not getting anything good though.
We know how to throw a party.
It's a good time. Oh, sweet. I just want to get firemen in here, so there's proof.
My car's there. It's the one right there.
That one?
Firemen, go for it.
I think it should be. I think it would be okay.
I hope so.
Otherwise, they'll pay for it.
I hope so. They pay for the whole thing. $8 grand.
All right, move along. There's nothing to see here.
That's cool. Can you put it with your shirt?
Yeah. This is going into the documentary, isn't it?
I'm gonna figure out a way to fit it in. I am.
Do it during the credits or something.
Definitely. Hopefully other interesting things will happen so I can actually have an interesting thing montage.
It smells nice. I want a hot fireman on my lap.
Yeah. I can do without it.
Melody's not here, so who knows?
Exactly.
When she finds out about this, so who knows what might happen. Hey, Furtado! What happens when your boss finds out about this?
Right now.
Really? But at least we all had our shirts.
Who said that?
Wait, at least it followed procedure. Stoli, back in!
Okay.
I have stuff in there. Can I go with it? Okay, thanks.
If you have something left in the theater, single file, come back in.